Hi, and welcome to YOW Canada. Using new programs to manage your employees' training can be overwhelming, especially when you're not sure how it works. We're here to help. In this series, we'll be going through different topics related to your course administration account to make it easier for you to navigate. To help us in this process, we'll be creating a new account for Acme Limited's new company division, Acme Cleaning Services Incorporated. As a first-time customer, Mark is eager to get his learners signed up for training to make sure they stay compliant. In this video, we'll be talking about how to purchase as a first-time customer, how to log into your new account and/or existing account, and general features of the account. You create the account during your first purchase online. However, if you need help creating your account or wish to place your order with a representative, you're more than welcome to contact one of our bilingual staff at YOW Canada to have the account created for you. Learners and course administrators can contact us Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Time over the phone by dialing 1-866-688-2845 or by email at info@yowcanada.com. Mark will need to create an account in order to register his learners as he's a first-time customer. For Acme Limited's new company division, Acme Cleaning Services Inc., Mark clicks on the Purchase tab in the blue menu bar and selects the courses he needs. For this example, Mark will be purchasing 4 WMIS courses and 4 of the Ontario Health and Safety Awareness courses for workers or supervisors. He adds the WMIS courses in his shopping cart and clicks on Continue Shopping. This brings him back to the Purchase page and allows him to add the Ontario Health and Safety Awareness courses in his shopping cart so that he can purchase both courses at the same time. Once he has all the courses he needs in his shopping cart, Mark clicks on Checkout. The next page Mark sees is the login screen. You'll notice that there are 2 login sections. The login on the left is for logging into your courses, and the login on the right is for the course administration account. Learners receive a unique username that is created for them when the courses are activated and will need to log in on the left to start their training. We will talk about the course login page in more detail in our video titled Learners. Click here to access that video. The login on the right is for your course administration page. Course administrators use this account to track, manage, and register learners for training. You can also find more of these features by following the link on your screen. Mark sees a green box that says Complete your order, and there are 2 options below. Log into your training account hyperlinked in blue, or by clicking on the big blue button that says Create a new account. Mark can also click on Create Administration Account under the login on the right-hand side, by either clicking on Create a new account in the green box, or by following the link under the administrative page login. This brings Mark to the customer information page, where he can enter his information. Mark enters his company information, such as contact person name, phone number, email address, and address for both his billing and shipping information. Quick tip: if you're self-employed or don't have a company name, you can enter your name as the company information. Once Mark enters his information, he can then provide the payment. YOW Canada accepts Visa, MasterCard, and American Express. Invoicing is also available. Please feel free to contact us by telephone at 1-866-688-2845 or by email at info@yowcanada.com to learn more about payment options. Once the payment is processed, Mark receives an email from YOW Canada to confirm his email address. Once confirmed, Mark receives a copy of his receipt by email and his login information for his course administration account. He can either follow the link in his email or go directly to our website, www.yowcanada.com, and click on Login in the top right corner of his screen. From here, Mark can log into his course administration account on the right-hand side, and when logged in, he sees his course administration page. The course administration page. The course administration page is where the magic happens. Available at any time with an internet connection, the course administration page allows you to access your trainee information and certificates conveniently. Let's talk about some of the general features of your course administration account. First thing you'll see when you log into your account is your course administration menu. The first feature available for you to use is the View Orders button. You can view your previous orders and print the receipts or invoices you need by simply clicking on View Orders and then the receipt or invoice you wish to view or print. The next features you see are Edit Groups, Send Notifications, and Training Report buttons. We'll go into more detail about these features in a separate video titled Learners. Course administrators can edit their information by clicking on Edit Account, found above the gray Course Administration menu. You can update or change your billing and shipping information. Please note, if you wish to update your email address, you will need to reach out to us either by telephone at 1-866-688-2845 or by email at info@yowcanada.com. In our next video, we'll discuss in more details learners, their statuses, as well as some tips and tricks on how to manage their training in order to reap the full benefits of your account. Thank you for joining us for this first video on how to use your course administration account. If you liked this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel.